So here we are, a bit of a location change. We've been thinking about it for a while and we finally did it. We packed up our lives and we've moved all the way down to Tauranga. So here we are. We're still unpacking. Everything's still boxed up, but it's time to install another product on the truck. So this time we're doing a GME XRS Connect, which is their kind of newest and latest and greatest UHF radio. Along that we've got the little through port that goes in your console, so you can plug the handpiece into your console and hide the little brain box underneath, so it looks like a bit of a factory look. And then with that we've also got a 6.6 dBi antenna. So it's not going to be a very long one, but let's dive in, let's get this installed. So when it comes to deciding what kind of antenna you're going to put on your four-wheel drive, it really depends on what kind of four-wheel driving you're going to be doing. This is more of a tourer, and that's why we've opted for a 6.6 dBi fiberglass whip. Little 3B dBi might be your choice if you're doing a lot of hilly country and really tight tracks. Because we're going to be more on the open road, we're starting with this one. You can unscrew it and put a shorter one on, which we might do if we end up into doing really hilly country. But let's dive into putting this on the front of the bull bar. So when you're pulling antenna cable through like this, you want to make sure that you don't kink it. That's really important. And the other thing is when you're running around your battery or past any other big high current electrical wires, they can cause interference, so you want to keep them away from that. But not kinking them is really important. Remember, your antenna cable can be quite vulnerable, so you want to lay it out where you want it and then poke it through all your penetrations. The nice thing about these XRSs is this is the main circuit board for the radio, so there's no need to have a DIN output anymore for your big radios. This is the handpiece, which has got all the control functions on it. We've opted to put it inside the center console and then run through the extension cable to the handpiece coming out of the dash. Now there's two different types of these. There's the 330C, which is what this is, and 370C. The 370C has a built-in speaker and is quite a bit larger, and that's why we've opted for the smaller one. So she's all wired up. It was a bit more of a mission than I thought it was going to be, but we took our time and we got all the cables in there nicely. I'm going to dive into all the features in a separate video because there's so many of them. You can connect your phone via Bluetooth, change the settings of the radio, and you've got the location sharing. So anyone with an XRS Connect, as soon as you transmit, you send your location to someone else with an XRS, and I can receive them as well, and I can see that on the smartphone, which is really cool for search and rescue or if you lose your mates in the bush. But in the meantime, can't wait to carry on with the rest of the build. Stay tuned.